everybody. Today we will solve from chapter number 3 Ncert exercise 3.1. We have already been completed up to your half yearly examination. The syllabus of half yearly up to half yearly examination we have already been completed. So from today we will revise chapter wise the important portion, the important questions that will be discussed, how much time we will get, because your half yearly examination will start most probably 18 September. Okay, so everybody open your copy and book. Chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. This chapter is based on factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. In R.S. Agarwal, the name of the chapter is playing with number or whole number or knowing your number, etc. Factors and multiples. Don't make a sound. Factors and multiples. I have said already, up to standard 6, you have to must memorize the table up to 20. If you do not memorize the table, you do not solve. You cannot solve the factors, common multiple, LCM, HCM, these kind of problem you cannot solve easily, because these topics depends on the multiplication table. Depends on multiplication table. So, what are factors? Suppose I am writing some tables. 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. Look very carefully. I am discussing what are actual meaning of factors. Look very carefully. 2 in the table 2. In table 2, you will get 2 5s are 10. So, if you multiply 2 and 5, you will get 10. Okay. So, 2 and 5 are factors of 10. For this reason, I have said again and again, please memorize the tables. If anyone can say any table, he or she must solve the problems on factors and multiples. Suppose the question is, write the factors of 10. So automatically in your mind that will arise that 1 into 10, 2 into 5. That means 10 is in the ones digit, take ones table, tens table, 2 tables and 5 tables. Where you will find the 10. 1 10s are 10, in the table 10, 10 1s are 10, in table 2 5s are 10, in table 5 2s are 10. So these are the factors of particular number. Suppose 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3, only one 3. Only you will say 3, but there have double 3. Double 3 is not necessary. You will say that 3 is the factors of 9. Next, 15. 5 3s are or 3 5s are. So the factors from where they are coming? They are coming from the multiplication table. So if anybody do not memorize the tables, you cannot find out the factors and you cannot solve the multiples of a particular number. So for this reason, I will say you must memorize the tables at first. Now, today I will solve the problems from chapter number 3, exercise 3.1. There are given some factors and multiples. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Question number 1, A, 24. If anybody knows that where 24 is found, in which places 24 are found, so I will say you will use this process I am doing. Suppose 1 into 24. 1 into 24, that means 24 ones are 24. Then 2 12s are. Then 3 8s are. Then 4 6s are. That is the process. No factors will be skipped. Every factors will appear. You can find easily if you go through this process. Okay, and at a time you will see that the last two numbers, they come in contact, 4 and 6. In any cases of finding the factors, you will see the last two digits or two numbers, they are come in contact, 4 and 6. So what are the factors? How will you write? This is U separate. This is U separate. Go. What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. You know that 1 and itself are the factors of the number itself. Okay? 1 and itself is the factor of that number. So how will you write? In this way. So it is called U separate turning to write down the factors of particular number. Okay? So it is look like a suitable arrangement. It look like a increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 24. And if you write that 4, then 1, then 8, then 24, then 3, it looks like haphazardly. So you will use this process. No factors will be skipped. You will find out all factors. Okay? Now, problem number 2. That means question number 1. B. There are so many problems. I am doing the importance. 1D. 27. After writing the particular number, automatically it will arise in your mind the table. If you do not memorize, you will not find the numbers where it is located. Now 27. Who knows who knows the table properly, who knows the table properly, he or she will say 27 is in the 3 9 jar and only 1 and 27. Okay. So 1, 3, 9, 27. 1, 3, 9, 27 are the factors of 27. Okay. So you may write at first 1 into 27, then 3 into 9. Next problem. Problem number I. Problem number I. 36. 36. Everybody, do you understand the relation between the multiplication table and the factors? Because the factor of this number is totally depend on the table, multiplication table. Where 36 are located? In which tables? In how many tables? You will find out. At first, 1 into 36. Then 2, 18 jar. 3, 12 jar. 4, 9 jar. 6, 6 jar. If you follow this process, it is easily you can find out the factors. Okay. Then what is the method of writing the factors? In this way, at first come, then turn to the right hand side, then go. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. There are 2 6. You will take only one. 9, 12, 18 and 20 and 36. These are the factors of 36. Okay. Next, come to the next point, that is multiples. That is multiples. Multiples means the total multiplication table. Suppose multiple of 13. Write 5 multiple of 13. You may write any 5. But if the question will give that, write 3 multiples of 13 after 50. Write 3 multiples of 13 after 60. That is the question. Then you will have to count up to 40. 3 13 jar 39. So after 39 you will have to take the 3 multiples of 13 after 39. Then 4 13 jar, 5 13 jar, 6 13 jar. If they have said the restriction and if there is not mentioned, then write the multiples of 13. Write 5 multiples of 13. Then you may write any 5. Okay. Next, I am coming to the another point that is related to this chapter. Common factor. Common factors. Common factor means how many numbers will be given? More than 1. 2, 3, 4. Because you have to find out the common. So to find out the common factors, minimum number needed 2. Suppose 12 and 15. Find the common factors. Common factors means I have solved the factors. So common factor is just nothing. You will find the factors of both. You will find the factors of both numbers. And which factors are present in both factors. That will be the common factor. So 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Next, 15. 1 into 15, 3 into 5. Okay. Now look very carefully. Which is present in 1 is the common factor of every number. That may be composite, that may be prime, that may be odd, that may be even. Okay, 1 and 3 and 3. Now, the common factors of 12 and 15 are 1 and 3. So, if you solve the factors of a particular number, then automatically you will easily solve the common factors. Common means that is present in both factors. In both factors, that are called common factors. Also, common multiples, at first you will find the multiples of two numbers. Suppose I am giving another example, then you will understand. Suppose this number 12 and 15. 12 and 15. There are two processes to find out the common multiple. Number one, we generally do not use in case of common multiple. We use at first find the LCM. Then we will get the least common multiple. Then multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4. These are the all common multiples. Understand? But in the lower classes, standard 2, 3, we use the table of 12, the table of 15. But do you know where the first common multiple will be find out? We do not know. So for this reason, I will say you do not use the table of the particular number. You will find out the LCM of the numbers. Now 12 and 15. 3 4s are 3 5s are. What will be the LCM? 3 4s are 12, 5s are 60. So 60 will be the first common multiple, the least common multiple between 12 and 15. Okay, if you write the tables of 12, write the tables of 15, you will get first common multiple 60. But if you find the LCM of the two numbers, so you will get the least common multiple 60. So the others will be 16 to 2, 16 to 3, 16 to 4, 16 to 5. Understand? So this much for today, and these topics discussed today, and we are also done in the previous classes. We are revising because your examination is knocking at your door. So how much time we will get of mathematics class? We will go chapter by chapter. Okay?